It's a Caribbean stop by M.S.G Catering LLC. Well, we are authentic Caribbean cuisine, Jamaican mostly. You know, I did culinary arts back in Jamaica, so I do a lot of Jamaican cooking, but we also do other Caribbean cuisine as well. We thought about getting a spot for, a location, but I'm saying, it's like, I feel like the traditional restaurant isn't the thing to do right now. We want to do something like if somebody said, look, hey, we're having a party, can you come out and cater this party? And being as though it's a pandemic, you don't want people around their food, so you have a trailer where people come up and be served, and they'll be like, people don't have to worry about their food being contaminated or anything like that. I work with Tony and Eric, and Tony, she's awesome. Every time I pick up the phone and call Tony, she would be right there, and it wouldn't take her long. If I call her in the morning, by the evening she'll return the call. Same thing with Eric. You guys are pretty awesome, and as far as paperwork and all that stuff is concerned, you guys are right on the money. Right on.